Okay, here's the new project car. I actually picked this up about, I don't know, 4 months ago. 1991 Mustang 2.3, 5-speed, but none of that matters. I already changed the wheels on it. I had the 10 hole wheels, stock ones. Took it racing. It's called Project 9tails. You know, Foxbody. And the 9tails is a fox, so yeah. Took it to the drag race in NS. It ran pretty much 19. It ran like 18 point something. I have a video of it, so I'll upload that. Already put on subframes on it. There's the subframes. Didn't do much to it other than change the stock suspension because it was really bad. Put all the 2.3 stuff on it because it's going to be swapped eventually. Inside, I did not vacuum it since I got it, so it's a little dirty. Had the seats down. Paid $15 for that radio. So yeah, that's the inside. $144. I think it's 144,000. Yeah, that odometer actually worked, so yeah, it's pretty good. The rust isn't bad, there's like no rust on it. Or, you know, for a Foxbody, these are always rusted. This thing's pretty good. Has a little dent here. All right then. Okay, so that's Project 9tails right there. I actually drive it to school right now. Now this is a 1989 SSP Foxbody from, it's a Utah Foxbody. And this is my brother's project. This is 5.0. I actually transferred the wheels onto it because this is going to get 5 lugs swapped. So he has my old wheels. I took his wheels actually. Anyways, oh, I think it's locked. This thing is not being driven because it's gonna be worked on. I'm actually going to be taking the engine from this. Right here is a F-150 Coyote engine. So that's gonna be swapped into that SSP Fox notch. And I'm going to take all the drivetrain from that, every single thing, the suspension, the engine, transmission, all of it. It's going to go inside Project 9tails.